Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this Halloween month, we're gonna draw the spider and the web. First, we're gonna draw the web. That's how you draw it, and a curve and a curve and another curve, and then we connect the angle to the curve. And another one. Let's draw the pattern. Curve, 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 and so on. Smaller one and smaller and getting smaller. Next, we're gonna draw the spider hanging on the web. Go straight down for the string, and let's draw the body. Just an oval or a circle, and then the eyes, and we draw the head. Let's start drawing the legs. 2 pair of legs downward and 2 pair of legs upward. That's how you draw the legs. Up, another one up. Let's draw the legs on the right side and upward, another one downward, down, and the last one also downward. Now we're gonna color it. Because the eyes are small, I'm still using the marker to just color the eyes, but leave a little bit of tiny circle white and color the legs black and also the body, but just around the outline toward inner of the body, but just leave a little bit white. And for the head, it's brown and still leave a little bit white, and then we gonna layer it with gray color. And don't forget to draw the pups. And it's done. Happy Halloween! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.